Hello everybody, my name is Peter Fend. I am Product Manager for Process Sensors. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to install sensors in narrow pipes. Here, you see a pipe of 25 nominal diameter, which is quite narrow, and a welded sleeve which is available at Baumer as an accessory. The sleeve's collar is exactly flush to the pipe extension. The sleeve can be directly welded here for process connection.
Sie können also die Muffe direkt hier aufschweißen und erhalten dann einen Prozessanschluss.
This process connection may host, for example, a level switch. Installed from below, it serves for empty pipe monitoring to prevent pumps from running dry.
Leerrohrerkennung. Das kann zum Beispiel verwendet werden, Pumpen vor dem Trockenlauf zu schützen. Eine besonders elegante Lösung.
A particularly elegant solution for pressure measurement in narrow pipes. A half-inch pressure sensor installed here is a very compact solution, with typically very narrow pipe diameters.
Ein sehr kompakter Einbau.
In keg areas of breweries, for example, with typically very narrow pipe diameters.
Sehr häufig kleine Rohrnennweiten verwendet. Wenn es darum geht, Temperatur zu messen,
when it comes to temperature measurement, Baumer offers a specialized solution.
The
sensor tip is optimally positioned in the pipe center, which ensures most accurate measurement of the media temperature.
Der Temperatur des Mediums im Rohr. Wie Sie sehen, ist das hier eine optimale Platzierung. Alles in allem haben wir hier eine flexible
Overall, Baumer provides flexible solutions for measurements in narrow pipe diameters.
Das war's für heute zum Thema Einbau von Sensoren.
That's all for the moment about sensor mount in narrow pipes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.